Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy and the name of my channel is Culture. And in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you, we are going to learn how to cut a bustier, shoulder bustier with keyhole neckline. So if it's something you are interested in learning, keep on watching. And here are the markings that here is the first line is my chest line, this second line is my bust point, this line is my under bust, while this last line is my half length. Here is the sewing allowance. So the shoulder that I'm working with is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2 will give us 8 inches. Then we are coming down from here with 1 inch for our shoulder slope. Our neck, the neck width that we are making use of is 3.5 inches neck width, while the neck depth is 3 inches for our neck depth. So we connect to the shoulder slope. From this shoulder slant, we'll take our round armhole measurement. Our round armhole measurement is 8 inches. So we'll connect it like this. So here is our bust point. This line is our bust point. From this line now, from at the bust point, we are going to take our nipple to nipple measurement. Our nipple to nipple measurement is 7 inches. So we are adding half an inch for sewing alarm. So we are marking 4 inches. Then at the under bust, I'm going to mark that 3.5 inches. I'm subtracting half an inch from it. Then that same 3.5 inches, that is what we are also going to use at the waist line. So now we are going to connect it. At the bust point, we come down by 1 inch, the bust point. At the bust point, we are also going up by 1 inch. The under bust, we are coming out by 2 inches. If it's plus size, because the bust point, the bust measurement I'm working with is 38. If it's plus size like 42 inches for the bust point, you make use of 2.5 inches. If it's small bust like 36 or 34, you come out from this under bust by 1.5, but this 38 now I'm coming out by 2 inches. I also come out by 2 inches at the waist line. So I'll connect these 2 inches together. Then this 1 inch that we came down with from the bust point, we are going to curve it, connect it. So from here now we are going to look for the midpoint of our round armhole. The round armhole is 4 inches. So our midpoint is going to be 4. The round armhole is 8 inches. The midpoint, divide 8 by 2 give us 4. So here now we are coming out by half an inch to get our round armhole curve. At the chest line, we are coming out at the round armhole. We are taking our bust measurement. 38 divided by 4 will give us 9.5 inches. So we'll now connect our round armhole. From this line now, we are going to take this bust wet. Now we'll take it off. Then we'll now connect, curve it from this half, from these 4 inches that we came down with for the round armhole. We are going to make a curve. So now we'll curve the bust point to avoid sharp edge. From this half now, we are coming out by half an inch to avoid shortage when we are joining our round, when we are joining our fabric together. So we are going to connect from here now. So we are done connecting our the next thing to do now is to take our body measurement. Our bust is, we are taking the our bust measurement. The next one is our under bust. Our under bust is 32. 32 divided by 4 will give us 8 inches, and you add these 2 inches because we are going to cut these 2 inches off. So 8 plus 2 will give us 10. Then we are adding 2.5 inches for seam allowance. We are doing same to the waist line. Our waist is 34. 34 by 4 will give us 8.5. So we are plus these 2. We are now marking 10.5 inches. Then plus 2.5 inches for our seam allowance. The bust point, we are adding 2.5 inches to it also. So now let's mark, let's connect our points together. The next thing that we are doing now, we'll cut. After cutting, before we, so now we are done cutting the keyhole neckline. Now that is what we want to cut, and after cutting, this is how your fabric, the shape of your bust is going to look like. So from the neck depth, we are coming down by 2 inches from the neck depth, 2 inches. So I will now mark the width that I'm using for the keyhole neckline is 3 and no, let's make use of 4 inches for the keyhole neckline. So I'll also come up here by half an inch from this 2 inch because I don't want it to be too deep. The client don't need too much, you don't want the keyhole neckline to be too deep. Half an inch, then you just curve it to this 4 inch. The next thing that we have to do now, we are going to cut the keyhole neckline out. So that is it for this tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my video if you have not subscribed to get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you very much for watching.